Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for kurtis. Beautiful neckline embroidery designs for kurtis have been shared, especially designed for white kurtis. As you know that summer is in full swing, so lighter shades, especially white color gives ethnicity, simplicity and elegance at the same time. So I am sharing highly creative and amazing design ideas with you that you can wear for your everyday wear. These designs are light, soft, comfortable, and breathable at the same time, containing simple, basic beginner embroidery stitches that are easy to make with hand embroidery beginners who do not know actually the complex art of hand embroidery, but they are handy with some basic sort of hand embroidery stitches. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing stylish and trendy patterns. The beauty and creativity of this video is that it contains designs that are two-dimensional or bi-dimensional. You can say bi-dimensional means that you can use them for Eastern as well as for Western clothing also. The tops could be worn along with matching cotton stuff bottoms, trousers, capris, and even along with the matching stuff, jeans, denim, and other creativities also. So you can design these very beautiful patterns onto your shirts, tops, skirts, frocks, mid-length dresses, full sleeve shirts, mid-length sleeve shirts, and even to sleeveless dresses also. Uh, I have a simple request that please, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and do share my videos with your friends and family. In the comment section, leave comments below that what you want us to share with you in our new and more upcoming videos. Up till then, guys, take care, and your comments is the only way through we can connect with you. So leave comments in the comment section.